Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. iPadOS is a dedicated operating system designed by Apple specifically for their iPad devices. It is built on the same foundation as iOS, the operating system used for iPhones, but has been optimized for the larger screen size and more powerful hardware of the iPad. iPadOS includes a variety of features that make it easier to multitask, navigate the interface, and use the Apple Pencil for drawing and note-taking. Some of the key features of iPadOS include an accessible home screen layout, improved split-view multitasking, and more. However, users with older iPads might not be happy with recent news, since reports have stated that more iPads will possibly lose iPadOS support this year. According to a report from iPhonesoft, owners of the first 9.7-inch and 12.9-inch iPad Pro models will not be able to use the upcoming iPadOS 17. As Apple often drops support for older device models with new operating systems, the latest major release seems to be following suit with the iPad family. The first-generation iPad Pro models, equipped with the A9X chip, and the fifth-generation iPad with the A9 chip will remain on iPadOS 16, according to the anonymous source. This means iPadOS will now align with iOS, which also dropped support for the A9 chip when it released iOS 16, leaving iPhone 6s models behind. Usually, Apple drops support for models when introducing new features, and leaves them with the previous generation release. They tend to still receive updates for security, albeit at a slower rate. Although iOS 17 is said to focus on stability rather than features, it remains to be seen if Apple will change its mind and continue to support the models before its WWDC 2023 introductions. That's it guys for this video. If you like it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And see you in the next one. Peace.